Hi, my name is Patrick Boo. I work with the team that developed the service port, and I want to show you how the service port with the 800XA channel can help finding things wrong with an 800XA channel to improve reliability and stability of the system. So this is the Service Port Explorer. That's where we house every channel, where they all reside. And in my setup here, I have a number of different channels, but we're going to focus on the 800XA channel. These are the actions we can perform, so we can look at data and we can look at the actual KPIs, the key performance indicators. So let's do that. In an 800XA system, there could be one up to almost 100 or even over 100 different computers making up that system. What the 800XA channel does is to look at settings over 40 KPIs from all those computers and make sure that they're matching best practice. This is the scan event view. Here we will see things that are deviating from best practice in the manual. A big bar indicates a large deviation. A small bar, a smaller deviation, and some of them here even have no deviation from best practice. This will help the user determine what is worth looking into today or this week, so you don't have to aimlessly go around and look for things that could be wrong. The service port will tell you what's wrong. It will automatically collect data, store the data, and do this analysis on the data. So let's look at one of these. Let's look on the file system. We have a problem with the file system reporting 80% severity or 80% deviation coming from one computer. When I clicked on it, I get some more detail in the bottom. I see from which computer this one is coming. Some of them come from 2 different computers, and it can come from many, many more, of course. I also get a short description explaining very lightly what this KPI is for, and I can select this machine and look even deeper. I would be taken to the data view. The data view is where you can look at the actual data collected. It automatically selected the time, the right time frame, the right computer, and the right KPI. Here I can see I have 2 hard drive partitions. I can actually see that I have error on one of them and some other information. What we have in 800XA channel is something called solution surface. It's to go one step further. What should I do when I encounter this? And that's through this diagnosis button. I click on that one, and I will actually get a little bit more text about this. An explanation, an impact, even a recommendation. And if I scroll a bit more here, I even have a reference to a manual or to a TechNet article. So we can go from an ocean of settings and data down to KPIs. What should I look into? Dig deeper, get to the collected data, and then through solution surface find what should I do to correct this. Please look at the other videos explaining the other channels, or download the data sheet and the manual for the service port and the 800XA channel. Thank you.